A very good morning, children. I am Ruchika, your English teacher. As you have learned that there are three groups of non-finite verbs: the infinitive, the participle and the gerund. And we were doing infinitives. In infinitives, we have learned that it can be used with or without to. And I hope you have completed exercises also related to infinitives in your book. Secondly, you have done how to use to pattern. Now I am going to explain how to join pair of sentences by using infinitives randomly. It is given on page number 89 in New English Grammar book. Look at the examples given in your book. He has a large family. He must provide for it. Now children, join these two sentences by using infinitives. He has a large family to provide for. You used infinitive with to in this sentence. Now come on, exercise number 7. Do this exercise in your book. Combine the following pair of sentences by using infinitives. I heard of your brilliant success. I was glad of that. I was glad to hear of your brilliant success. Second, I expose immoral people. I am not afraid of it. I am not afraid to expose immoral people. You need practice only, children. Do this. Now third one, you can use the launch. You need the manager's permission. You need the manager's permission to use the launch. Fourth, he sold his property. He had to give higher education to his daughter. He sold his property. Why? To give higher education to his daughter. Cut the fifth one, it is wrong. Sixth, I went to Kanyakumari. I wanted to visit the Vivekanand Memorial Rock. I went to Kanyakumari to visit the Vivekanand Memorial Rock. Seventh, everyone should do their duty. India expects this of everyone. India expects everyone to do their duty. Children, do this exercise in your book. Thank you. Have a nice day.